Come back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I make quick meal. You can use this for your lunch or dinner, and it is so easy to prepare. I'll be making vegetable sauce. Stay tuned and watch how I make this. For this vegetable sauce, I'll be using kale leaf. You can use spinach or pumpkin leaf or any vegetable of your choice. Season my fish, I would like to mix up my seasoning in a bowl. So I'll be adding stock cube, salt, onion powder, thyme. I'll add white pepper powder, ginger powder. Spice this together. You can also check out my video on how to clean your fish properly. As you can see, my fish is properly cleaned, so I'll be adding the mixed spice on the fish. Spices touches all the parts of the fish. To marinate. Vegetable sauce with boiled rice. You can use beans, yam, potato, or anything you like. So I'll start by washing the rice. In the rice, I will drain out the water from the rice and set aside. Washed rice into the pot. I will add enough water to cook the rice. I'll be using boiled water. Allow the rice to cook. To make the vegetable sauce, I will roughly chop the scotch bonnet. Add it to the blender. I use the red bell pepper for easy blending because I will not be using water to blend it. Cut the onions. Now add them into the blender and blend. After blending, I will set aside. Be washing my kale leaf with salt and water. Washing the kale leaf, I'll be slicing the kale leaves. Already preheated my pan, so I'll be adding oil into the pan. If it's hot enough, I'll be adding the fish and allow them to fry. Make sure that you turn it side by side to fry properly. Once I've fried properly, I'll remove from the oil and set aside. Prepare the sauce. I'll be adding oil into a preheated pan. Then I'll add the blended pepper mixtures. I will stir and allow to simmer. While the sauce is frying, I'll be adding stock cube, curry powder, then I will stir and allow to fry. When the sauce have fried enough, I'll be adding the fried fish into the sauce just to mix the sauce on the fish. Allow the fish to simmer in the sauce for about 2 minutes. Then I will remove the fish from the sauce. I'll be adding the sliced kale leaf. So that the kale leaf will mix together into the sauce. I'll cover the pan to allow the vegetable to steam. Minutes. Turn up the heat. And add back the fried fish into the vegetable sauce. My boiled rice is also ready. I will turn off the heat. This vegetable sauce with fried plantain. So I'm frying my plantain. Finally, the vegetable sauce is ready. You can see how easy it is to prepare. It can take you like 60 minutes to prepare. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned.